I've come to Calcutta today to GIS Institute of Management. We were here to see the Idea Jam. I really enjoyed the session because I love Calcutta. I think there is a lot of entrepreneurial energy in this city. I need to do our best to push it. I'm really happy with the work they are doing here because I got to meet some amazing young people with some very bright minds who really want to build businesses. The future of India sits in this youth and these students, and to see their enthusiasm, energy, and drive, and the work they are doing at GIS was outstanding. So, thank you so much for having me, and thank you so much for doing things like this as well.
Oh, thank you so much for, this appreciation means a lot. Thank you so much for listening. We started this by Made in GIS because Made in India is a concept that Modi ji is trying to promote. I was like, why not within us, right? And to start it as a inside thing first, but to tickle the effect to the rest of Calcutta because we want our talent.
So there were people who won from other colleges as well.
Yes, they participated. We would like it to get bigger year on year. So what happens when somebody like Arjun comes? 10 more people, like as I said, your social media content, say 100 ideas come. So when somebody like you come, it motivates them to see that the journey is possible. And then we get 1,000 more ideas. Then we get that 1,000 which will flourish. So we try that.
And this mission is very powerful. So I'm saying it here. I'm happy to come back every year to Idea Jam and make this bigger and bigger so the entrepreneurs of this state and the city can flourish and really build large business for our country.
You should know, Dr. Vaidya, he said 10% when it was
20% of the sales came from the east, 12% from the northeast, Seven Sisters, and Calcutta is special to me because my mum is from here, but also because I sold my company to RT Sanjeev Unka Group, which is a Calcutta-based.
So he's very homegrown. He's not from Kolkata, but a lot of roots and connections here. And किंतु इन्हें झालमुड़ी खानी है.
Yes.
So झालमुड़ी खिलाना पड़ेगा और later. But हम लोग का Calcutta का गुजराती चले, right?
Absolutely.
भवानीपुर से थी की mom. Any other questions or should I just keep talking?